Okay, hello, my name is Lucky George Uluma. So I'm going to be running through my project for week one. Sorry, I've been having difficult times trying to have this project done and how to have this video done. So quickly, so this is my package.json file that I generated via the Windows command prompt. So this is how everything is. So this is it. So this is my server. To check, the server is listening at 3000. So but this is what is most important to us. This is the uh, one of the dependencies that I installed in this project. So all this is trying for me to get my hands busy and also try to see if I get to understand backend technology. These were part of the introduction we had while setting up our system this for this course. So this is my MongoDB. I had to install the native browser. Why this is when I was trying to render it locally via my machine using live server. Okay, so this is me trying to, yeah, like I said, during the introduction to web services, we were taxed on how to render some front end information. So this is just me trying to learn something, and it has nothing to do with our week one project, but it still did not break my code. Now this is my route. So this is my route. I had to use to get my route. So this is my route here. So this is it, and this is the index, which is welcome to home page. But this welcome to home page now is now being taken over by the front end, which we did during setting up our platform. Now this is my database, which is it. You see? So this is it. Me calling the database, and this is the user. So this is what we are working on. So we're focusing on either user by ID single and getting all users. So this is what the project is all about. So this is my controller. So like I said, the first part is to get all users. This is it. And also the second part is to get user by ID. So it's virtually just the same thing, but just have some little tweak on the program. So this is it. So all of this is during our introduction to this course. I was trying to see if I can fix in my link for video, but I'm still going to get to that. But just that I'm running against my deadline. So let me go straight to my Mongo Compass. So this is my Mongo Compass. So this is the user which I created. So this is it. This is the tree. So let's go straight down to my my render. So this is the render for which I have the project installed. So this is calling from my GitHub repository, which brought about this. So this is it. So if you notice, it's installed perfectly, and to click on it, it will get to this part. So remember when I said that instead of me having welcome that part I showed, it was replaced by my front end. So I'm still working on this to see how I'm going to display all the videos. So why this is what we worked on the users. So once we click users, it hits the database and it brings birthday, the favorite color, email, first name, last name, and this is the unique ID that was generated for all of them. So imagine now selecting just one user ID. So we'll get to this. So this is the video so when I'm done with this, I'm going to upload this and I'm going to replace this placeholder with this actual video I'm going to be uploading on YouTube. So which I'm going to upload there to now overwrite the placeholder once it's been called upon. So professionals, I also did this. This is me changing it to base 4. If you notice, this is how it was. Okay, so this is my week one projects. I pray and hope to get better as I progress more in this course. So thank you, and I look forward to learning more.